khazingel discuss chung de zo khare concentration gal discuss chung zo and concentration khazi kare reverse ta mix e kare acid rig de zo mix e kare concentrated the thana dilute ki de ewa khaji ma chi le ani wal example khashi stage khazi ni percentage lage andi agudu example zo an khazi video thara wal kran example situna example tagda de de sto jidan ani strong na mix e kare concentrated negation hydrochloric acid tesha thana is kare dilute na le thana example dination kran stage ro andi kran video wal gen situna disha ani khazingel law zone ta khare suspension gal discuss chung sa ro ani suspension gal discuss chung ma se ani suspension the dewa yo khazingel discuss khar chung na zo gar suspension khorang characteristic de heterogeneous mixture series and the heterogeneous mixture de khare khoral ewa che thue yo mixture dina khare sand the water ki or jo khare sand de kha je thane khare chu de kha khazingel nge khare reaction je ma te ani dina mo khare calcium hydroxide che thane carbon dioxide ni react chin mo zul khara wala na calcium carbonate the water din ra ores ani calcium andang mo ra de mix khare calcium andang mo khare di carbonate de mix khare example de mo khare suspension na khande chin chugol na khorang khare do solution form che kas khare tis reng mo dus khare undisturbed do shower rajna khale khale chin khare milky nge color ye de khale khale la che khare carbon calcium carbonate khale khale ma khare settle down chine ani chu de gang gang ha du mo khare seo che de na di khare mix suspension and mix khare ewa in de mo go chu do and dil khalser ta mix tharing khare properties ma discuss di phejen khalser dur sang mo do thangbudul khajinga seo rajna khare lana suspension is a heterogeneous mixture the thangbu che heterogeneous ladi mixture ni de de yor ine khar mixture ni de khar pha ju khare ewa che thuye yo tin de khar mixture jil khudro ani wadal khaduna na mixture dina khar face ni ewa khar ni ye de yor thoya ro mixture do ani ewa khande do jla na one in which solid particle chik khare solid in yo che are present while the liquid in which these are suspended forms the other face dina khala wala na solid thing was khajing example na khare tamba do wala khare sand do kina disha thanish liquid de khare chudi dinni chin khare mix boundary yo de yo face ni do jung khare ewa che yo dinne mo khare suspension ki solution jina thoya dosto ani dige wad khare the particle size is more than 100 nanometer le sam khare particle ke size de khajing khare solution the minda khare size chimbo res mix mo solution khare siwa jina particle the size chung ra jung khare filter paper na ma filter chiga do na chithu mares diga jinga no discuss chungore thana di wadil thara point the dewacha di dura the particle can be easily seen by naked eyes ming ne dusta wada jina mixe gar ngaran jol khare microscope da ne use chigo ai king mares to khabdu ngom mi gitta wada khare particle din chembu ye jong thong thuye yo digi wadil khare na the solid particle in a suspension can be easily separated by ordinary filter paper ngojo khare na lab na phich de filter paper digbin ngojo khare hana ngojo ye de suspension example lena sand the water the khare filter paper you know pass sure rajina sand ganza khare khale filter paper collect cha and chudi gar water test tube na khare ma separate lelo shujin gar chitue yor so di khare suspension khorang ya khiju chik chedu and digi wadal a suspension is unstable and khande ju khor is to the particle settles down under influence of gravity when undisturbed thamang also siwa rajina khare sand the chud to down siwa rajina mix chagyo roji ine khare thujo khala kanjam jer mo dus ma sha sa jel khare undisturbed shower rajina khare khale sand the ma settle down cha jer chudiya loga cha ding roji diga mo khare siwa chelna didu khare suspension la mix khare solution khora khare unstable imba khajina na nija phazu mix ya go chegi meza khare khorani khare ngodi khaga tye ye mix solution chik de re ine khare nanglo liwe khare substance ni the pas ever che thu ye jang khare unstable chi shan disha andi khare mix ge suspension khorang gi properties ma cha di dro ani khajing discuss chungyo na khare la na mix khare mixture la ever sum lo ste lodem na siu da jina solution che suspension che ta dingel ga suspension gi properties ma discuss chi sare ta sumba dila colloids la ne mix khare mixture gi type che ta di mixture khande res ti ko lo ma discuss chi ro thangbodil khare no colloid la de khare is one type of heterogeneous mixture tigar point thangbod che dro ina ya dina khare khewar dula but their particle size is between 1 to 100 nanometer size the khare mixing was tawar jena chembu shu kemin do thingel law si khare mixing gi thingel suspension ge properties na sure size chembu is only mi ge thegar thwa yore ine khare khurang ge size the galan 1 to 100 nanometer the size chembu shira yo mares to mixing colloid gi example discuss chena mo nam ge phiju down there milk di homa cha di ro Ani namjung was tau rajan colloid kora solution khande dos thongolena appear to be homogeneous. Mos example gar homat tau rajana homa mix gar mos substance ni dos yo gar namya thongmare substance chi gimba dos khachin lana korang ge particle size de gare dingi phalo chui de chunju yo jang gar mixing os gare homogeneous imba dos yo ina gare but actually are not chidana gare korang ge size de gar done gar mixing os gare korang de thuge yo mare sawn do homogeneous rel namya gare thuge yo mares ani digi wadla mozu kharchelana there are two phases in a colloidal solution. Colloidal solution khorana mix gar phase ni doj ding mozu khande china disha khajing no solution discuss chhe ga so solute chik the solvent ching mozu khajing al khide ro thana ching mozu dina yembara jina mixing mozu kharkina dislana dispersion medium lies the disperse phase len tingi mozu khare ewacha di do khajing al mozu khalla solvent the solute ka gar solution form chhe ga so solvent di manga yoja Chidan ka solution al do thane ka solute the quantity khare nyunga yores thane dina siwar khare dispersion medium de khadina khare quantity de ma yores to composition present in larger amount dikhalla dispersion medium galche content dikhar manga yores to thane disperse phase dikhar chelan composition dikhadu na khare dispersion medium le khare nyunga yores composition present in smaller amount the dispersion medium the disperse phase dingi khare nyam du chuk tom cheng ozu khar khona disha colloid lan khodena disha dingi gi khare state dil mix dispersion medium ge state the disperse phase ge state gi khachi wala na mozu namgyun ra de colloidal solution khare ewa ge roj din sama khare dingi ge state khare khagal ten khare mozu lagba ra de ores ine state khajingel mozu solution ga state khare mix khare discuss chi ga so type guj discuss chi ine khare colloid ga mix khare type ge chheres khajilana type mix khajing lagar gas the gas mix khare solution yo na shi kare gas the gas ki mix khare colloid nam ya form chidung mar khajina na thenda di ta da ding mares heterogeneous la thenda di mozu khare ha go la na air is a mixture of gases ina khar mixture khande chre na homogeneous mixture jres tin ja khar nam ya mozu khare gas the gas ki mixture form che ga nam ya khare colloid yin si mar khalan di homogeneous is sorry dikare namya heterogeneous meza ngozuna khare mixi gi khare state sum dina ewa che di khare colloidal solution ngozu khare ge roj rai do ting ngozu ma discuss chi than do dina siwar je tang ngozu khare types of colloidal solution dina ma siwar je mixi khare type ge ro cha di ro ani type ge de khare kal page lana dispersion medium na ngozu khare ki state do thana disperse phase na state khare ki dingi khare nyam du combine chi je ngozu khare colloidal type khadi rai do tigal ma discuss chi ro ani dila siwar je mix khare ngozu dila kis dispersion medium na dikhare manga di khadina manga do quantity dila ngozu solid yo che disperse phase na ngozu khare solid dia khare nyunga gal amount chira di type dila mix khale sol le dus ani sol le khora thenda do siwar je na ro a sol is a type of colloid in which solid particles are suspended in a liquid mix khare liquid china khare solid particles in khare disperse in de na de khare liquid jila mix ngozu khale la na sol len khud ro Thango solid the solid gi mix example na siwar je khare khina dish la na dela metal plate dinde chena metal sheet dinde khina dish dene was example ki dinde dish ro ani digi wadla solid the liquid gal mix do solid che thana liquid in the mix do and the example was khare le dula na type gal siwar and sorry gel de khodi dro ani digab so example khajesh le oda jana khare face cream do khina dish face cream kine reshe shemna mozu diyor paint de si dikhi den dish ro ani digi wad la mix kare solid che dispersion medium na disperse phase na khasi gas imba rajna mozu ra de khala solid form mixing mozu khar khulna subutu di de diwa phichi de sponge de ti khona dish mixing khande je khulna solid khoral khesi kar ego yo de mixing of the bread in it the example khache siwar ajna dizuna khesi air dosa gi kare ego de na space la na gap de na dende ge rik chama khare khar na chidila na solid form de na chididro digi wadla khesi dispersion medium na khare liquid khi ache disperse phase na was solid ki ore jina thing law is example khare sol ne thara ki chadi dura mixie ki dinal example nda siwer je kana zo log dem na mate ro dikhana gen ma sie je ro ani digi wadla khesing was dispersion medium na khare liquid che disperse phase na khare liquid ki na dinde example khal ko emulsion dinal was example handa khare face cream dikhina de shemna whipped cream ne dinde example nos khidren dishra ani digi wadla dispersion medium na liquid che disperse phase na khare gas in barajana dil khare form le mix e do ani form de nam ju khare dik li do bubbles in mix e khare subut tu gos dinde ngos khare form de si den dishra dina ani thana shi digi wadla ngos khare dispersion medium na ya khare gas ki wache ani disperse phase na khizi liquid in barajana and content the khar aerosol mix e do aerosol the mixing was example khandit sina dish something mist the dan fog the mixing was kare gyunga de in mix e ga thangmu yu de mix e kare dinde gos kare mix e form chi de was kare fog the khona dish fog la na dish dan shi mist mix e nam shi thangmu yu de dinju kha thwa yu de ro ani khezi was kare dispersion medium na gas che disperse phase na was solid in barajana dile khar aerosol re ina dile was example khar kina dish na was khare di pollution the mix e khare cause ye gi khare mujun ji dust jo mix e do thua smoke dikhi den dish smoke the example dus khiche khare di khorang khare type che thana je khare example din macha di do dina mix e khare example and khran siet khalena dinal chi gi and khare liquid and solid ge example chik che thana shi di wadal siwa rajna liquid thana shi khare gas di tini khare khran je example sozungen khare logdem na ma si je khare phena table tear khran do table na save shoes tear NCERT logdem na la dinal ma si je khran ma thie chro ta digi jema du mise khare ta dina zo kharche na dispersion medium che disperse phase dini khare su combined chen gozo khare colloid ge type rawores and digi example du chero ani khran zungen ta khare digi wal gozo khare discuss chen na properties in ta ingel gozo khare suspension properties discuss chero ta na properties of solution e discuss chere ta din sama khari gal zo thu dilana particle ge size gala particle ge size ge khari kheur chulana mixture khoran ju khare ewa de khare kha ga che zo khari gal thulana size of the particle khorang gal thu didro ta digal ozu khare andama discuss chi properties of colloid gal do the ingel discuss chi ne ta khare types of colloidal solution discuss chi sar ta di je la khare properties kal ma discuss chi to properties di khare seu che dilana zo dil khare khorang di mixture de ewa che gal khaseu pe che dro ani thangbodil seu re ta ingel suspension the do cha di colloid is a heterogeneous mixture khorani khare mixture di khare form che ko substance ni di mix cha ore ani mixture ni di khare ewa che yores to chi dan do ani thane shi size of particle kal thai law shi zo khare particle ge size di between 1 to 100 nanometer chadi don khare particle size chidan khare chembu shiu jo mare unlike suspension do chidan do ani thana chi di wadal point na siu rajana the particle of colloidal salt cannot be filtered using filter paper namju khare mo ordinary filter paper di gyune khare thai ngela suspension gi particle dizara ewa che thu ori ne khare colloidal salt gi khare particle dis khare filter paper chidan kyuma ji phiri chi ne khare ewa namya che thu mare sto ani colloidal salt are stable thingel khalla na suspension na siwer is unstable ris ina dina stable lago jumje khala mo example how much khina homa dina mix e khare mo homa ki content dis khar pha ju kare lelo shu chen mo ju kare ewa che to ekale khabu shu chere mi khora ne do dosta du di en khare particle dis khare pha ju ta de di gero che thingel law ju khare colloidal solution chidan khare homogeneous imba do ju re ine khare khora heterogeneous cha de wores to ani di wadal siwer rajana colloidal salt does scatter the light when beam of light is passed through it khesing ozu kare torch ki he ji kare colloidal solution de sha yo gene gyuni kare pass she try jina he sam kare pha ju khatam do res and did the deva jo kare jema dina dila kran ju ngene kare term ma kare ta thuna log tep da thagyana situna Tyndall effect lana khala ores to tigal khanaz ngene khare sinda jema dil khare thane je comment wala khanaz kare washashan disare thane sik shembaj dil tigi term shembaj lane disha brownian movement lane disha motion lane disha Brownian movement and this Brownian motion and this term dingy gal mix kare kran do di chidan kare colloidal solution the deva chai durwa and these are dingy ki term the kran kare NCERT lokte bin tan thagen ma sin kare inji meji kran comment na sha do na do and tan is jinda jema the dingy gal ma discuss chi do thujina